Hey, welcome to Urban Engineering with Clay. Normally I don't do this type of stuff, but customers said they wanted it. If this video is helpful, please send me your nice comments. I greatly appreciate them. But most of all, click the notification box and subscribe to my videos. So we're working on a 2010 Hyundai Elantra. The window kept falling down in the back right here, so we wanted to put it on in such a way that it was urban engineered, but yet be able to repair it, you know, when they want it replaced, when they have the money to replace the window regulator. So what I did was I took the door panel off. That's pretty self-explanatory, and I put a screw right here. And the reason that I pointed this out is because being in the location that it's at, it shouldn't interfere with anything, and you can just remove the screw, replace the regulator, and be good to go when you have the money to repair it. If you want to reach out to me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. Please make sure you subscribe. Remember, if any other man can do it, you can do it too. This ain't the way we do things here at Clay's, but when asked, it's not going to hurt anyone for the window not to work, so I didn't worry about it. God bless you guys. Thanks much.